Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your language on Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your language, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after opening the Remitly application, you just simply have to wait for a while and you will get to see this manage icon at the bottom right corner. Tap to manage icon and then you will get to see this setting option. Tap to setting option, and after selecting this setting option you just simply have to select this option of language at very first. Tap to language and then you can choose so many languages that are available into this application. Just simply select the language which you would like to change to. For example, I'm selecting this Espanol language right here. And after that, tap to confirm and your language of the application will successfully be changed. This way, you can also change your language on Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.